Itatanong ko lang kasi sinusundan ko rin yung kwento ninyo na kahapon sabi ninyo na 100% certain na si VP Sara contracted someone over the alleged plan to kill the president as well as two others. Tapos ito naman, corroborative naman ito nung sinabi ninyo nung 29 April yata sa House of Representatives na sinabi rin ninyo meron na kaming leads at mukhang talaga yun ang findings. Kaya may grave threat at inciting. Tama ba na sinabi po ninyo 'to?
Tama po, meron pong report po.
Ngayon, nagtatanong lang ako, 14 months later, as late as 29 April, the NBI still has not identified yung supposed assassin. Does it mean na at that time na nagpila sila ng kaso ng inciting noong Pebrero na nakaraang taon, the NBI wasn't even sure if there was an actual assassin? Pero tinatanong ko lang, how can the NBI be sure there was really a contract if they can't even identify the said assassin?
Respectfully po, Your Honor, magkaiba po kasi ang elemento nung yung pong kaso ng grave threat saka inciting. Based on the investigation report at based po sa findings ng NBI noon, nakumpleto na po yung elemento ng grave threats saka ng inciting to sedition. Hindi naman po kailangang mahanap kung sino po yung kinausap na assassin. That is not an element for the filing of a complaint.
So ang sinasabi po ninyo, tama yung pagka-file, pero hindi kompleto yung mga findings dun sa affidavit of investigation dahil yan din ang sinabi ni NBI agent Attorney Longtok na nandito siya at pinahiwatig niya na siya ay lead investigator pero wala siyang personal knowledge of whether there was an actual assassin. So why is it that 14 months after filing of the cases, the assassin is yet to be named? At ngayon, humihingi pa kayo ng 3 hanggang 6 na buwan para tuklasin kung sino nga yun. Pero
So
hindi
doon po
po
natin
yan,
tinitingnan.
hindi po yan ang sinabi ninyo eh. Kasi ang sinabi ninyo doon sa House of Representatives, sa Justice Committee, maliwanag sa amin nyo na meron kaming leads at mukhang ito na talaga ang findings. Kaya nga po nag-file ng kaso ng grave threat at inciting to sedition. Sabi ninyo, yan ang dahilan. That was your statement. Because if you stand by these words na may finding na talaga, at yun ang dahilan kaya nagpila noong February, as early as February, the date that the NBI filed, the NBI already had findings that VP Sara spoke with an assassin. How come kayo ngayon, sinasabi ninyo na wala naman nung panahon na yon?